Hello guys, in this video we will have how to know which devices or laptops or something that it is used your Google account, and you can figure out even though you are using Google account, so you know which devices are used your account. So guys, first thing that you need to go, which is type here and then manage your Google account to find this page. Then you will go to security and log it in, and then you will scroll to this one, and there you go, your devices section, which is all devices that it is using your account. So if you don't find that it is device related to you, or someone is open in another field or so on, just tap on that device that you don't know. Next, then here you will find this page which is to take actions. First you can find device or just sign out the device itself, if you just know that it is not related to you. So that's it guys, how many devices that you're using your account, and how you can disconnect the device which is not probably not yours. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Peace.